All right, this might be easier with the 3D rendering to figure out your toe kick layout. So on your sink wall, this toe kick is a 1/2 inch off the wall and 88 inches wide. So from the corner over 88.5. This panel, it's going to be best if it just sits on the floor to try to land it in the 1.5 inch wide groove. It's just too much. And then the depth of this would be 21 inches. On the cooktop wall, or the range wall, this toe kick will start at 21. It's 15.5 inches wide. Then you have 44.5 inch width. And toe kick here, that's 12 and 13, 21 deep. The island, this is where the utilities stub up the electrical right here, which shouldn't be an issue because it's just electrical. Mind you, we have, let's see, let's figure it out this way. Because that's the front of the toe kick right here. To the back wall is, say, 72 inches. And that leaves you 42-ish in between here. So 72 to the front of that toe kick. This way we are 69 inches. This is the front of the island. So the right side would be 69 over. And that toe kick is, let's see here, because it gives it overlays. So from 69, the width of that guy is, say, 19.25, 24 inch space, then this would be 19.25 again. This is 21 deep. On the back side, this is 7.5. So overall depth is 28.5. From here to the front is 28.5, 69. From here to the exterior wall is 72 from the front to the range wall. The width of that guy is 63 1/16. Hope that helps. Thanks.